Paying your Rogers Mastercard via the Rogers Bank app is a simple digital process, even after Rogers Bank was acquired by RBC. The app allows you to make instant or scheduled payments directly from your Rogers Bank account. Payments are processed in real time during business hours, and there are no fees for online payments. As of 2025, most Rogers Bank customers use the app for bill payments, finding it a convenient alternative to traditional methods like mail or branch visits. Ensure the app is updated to the latest version for the best experience, and be aware that future updates may prompt migration to the RBC mobile app. Open the Rogers Bank app using your username, password, and multi-factor authentication. From the home screen, tap the menu and select Credit Cards. Choose your Rogers Mastercard. Tap Pay Bill or make a payment. You'll see your balance, minimum due, and due date. Input the amount meeting minimum requirements. Select the payment date, instant or scheduled, and link to your Rogers Bank account. Double-check all details, then tap Confirm and authorize via your security method. Check your transaction history in the app to confirm the payment. If you have any issues, contact Rogers Support via the app's chat feature. Regularly check for app updates to stay current with instructions, as interfaces and steps may vary.